Hello everyone, I'm Venkatesh from Learn AI, representing SaaS company. Welcome to the career guidance session. Let's begin with the presentation. As I told, we are official representatives of SaaS company. We facilitate training programs of various SaaS courses provided by SaaS company itself. We also provide career guidance. Here in this slide, you can check out the link which acknowledges our association with the SaaS company. We are Learn AI located in Hyderabad. Now let's understand what is SAS. To begin with, SAS stands for Statistical Analysis System. It's a data analytics tool. It is also a programming language like Python, Java, C, R, etc. It is designed by SAS company itself, which is the same company which are representing now. Usually the tech giants like Microsoft, Google, IBM, etc. were focusing on developing interfaces and operating systems, while SAS were focused purely on analytics. And as a result of that, SAS developed one of the best analytics tool in the world. And also, SAS is standing as a global leader in analytics with a share of 27.7%. Well, all the other giants which are nowhere close to it. You can look at the pie chart here. IBM and other giants are mentioned here, Microsoft. They're nowhere close to it. And also today, the world is talking about artificial intelligence, machine learning, data sciences, and other courses. Almost all the companies have stepped into it. But SAS was the first company in analytics and other departments which took initial steps towards it and started developing those courses. And also, if you can look on the slide, SAS is the only vendor named in the Magic Quadrant as a leader in science and data science and machine learning platforms for the past 8 years successively. Now let's look the collaborations of companies and universities worldwide with SAS. Almost 83,000 businesses, governments, and universities have collaborated with SAS. 91 out of the top 100 companies in the Fortune 500 use SAS. Okay, till now we understood what is SAS, what it does, how big it is, the companies, governments, and the businesses associated with the SAS. Now let's get to the point. Why do we need to learn SAS, especially for healthcare professionals or pharmacists? Well, to understand that, we need to dive in a bit deeper and understand the process of FDA approval first. Yes, FDA as in Food and Drug Administration. It's an organization based out of US. All the pharma companies, CROs, healthcare industry, biotech, food and beverages need an FDA approval before releasing their product into the market. And the process of FDA approval includes the collection of certain data, like certain data of a drug or an equipment, and that data includes the reviewing, analyzing, and testing and observing the adverse effects of the drug or an equipment, and collection of all the data need to be sent to the FDA for the approval. And the only tool used to send the data to FDA is SAS. You may ask why only SAS? Why only SAS is used? The reason behind it is FDA has set a mandate protocol to all the companies to use only SAS to get the approval. And also, FDA has also tied a deal with the companies, with SAS, sorry, for the next 40 years. Yes, for the next 40 years, FDA has signed a deal with SAS. So in a way, you can say the companies have no other option but to use SAS, and also for the next 40 years. So you can conclude in a way, if you can enter into the analytics world by learning SAS now, for the next 40 to 50 years at least, you will be having a secure career, as SaaS will be used primarily, and there is always a need of SaaS programmers who are officially certified. Also, now let's look at the life sciences companies which are used by SaaS. Almost 2,350 plus life sciences companies of all sizes, big, small, medium, every, all the sizes use SaaS. 100% of the life sciences companies which are mentioned in Fortune 500 use SaaS, and also 45 countries all over the world of life science, which the life sciences companies use SaaS. Now let's look at the academic collaborations of SaaS, which has SaaS through two universities worldwide. SaaS has collaborated with many universities worldwide to provide many masters and PG diploma courses. Here are some of the examples which can be found on your screen. University of Sydney, Purdue University, Loyola University. These are some of the examples. Now let's look at the Indian collaboration. All the management, top management schools of India, all the IIMs and ISB, NMIMS are all collaborated with SaaS and provide various SaaS courses. There are quite a few examples, like you can see data visualization for managers provided by IIM Indore, certification program in business analytics provided by IIM Bangalore, Symbiosis provides a course called data science for business users. It is also provided by SaaS. The point here is, if you wish to learn SaaS, either you have to get into these schools, these big B schools, or corporates. As SaaS usually gets trained only corporates. They go to the corporates, they collaborate with the corporates and gives them training. But now, the students and young freshers and other graduates gets a golden opportunity, as SaaS is directly coming to the students. They're handing over their courses and they're providing it to us. Now let's see what all courses they're providing, what all courses they're offering basically. If we they're classified into three types. First one is base SaaS programming, advanced analytics, and a clinical SaaS program. Let's look at each of them individually and analyze their pros and cons. Let's start with base SaaS programming. Base SaaS programming, as the name suggests, it's a basic SaaS training program. It's good for an entry-level job, and you can call it's an entry-level step into SaaS programming world. Yes. Now, if you look at the advantages, base SaaS programming is eligible for all the people. All the people, as in people of any educational background, can learn base SaaS programming and can get a job of a SaaS programmer, entry-level SaaS programmer with a salary of around 40K, as all SaaS programmers get a salaries of minimum 35 to 40,000. If you look at the cons, it is highly competitive. The reason for that is, since all the educational background people are eligible, it is highly competitive. And it is not end-to-end training. As the name suggests, it's a base SaaS programming. It covers only fundamentals of SaaS. And you can't conclude it as a complete end-to-end trained program. And the companies, since we are living in this COVID times, working from home and remote working has become a new normal. Companies are looking to hire candidates who are end-to-end trained rather than people who are partially trained. So a work from home or job opportunity will be a bit tough to get if you are only a base SaaS program. However, this is especially for pharmacists or other healthcare professionals. However, if you wish to get into other sectors like finance, banking, investment firms, or software companies as a SaaS programmer, there are opportunities. There you can enter as a base SAS programmer because in those sectors you will find work from home opportunities more compared to pharma and CROs. So the bottom line is if you wish to start a career in pharma and others pharma sector, it's a bit tough only with base SAS. Yeah. Now let's look at advanced analytics. Advanced analytics is a combination of base SAS and advanced SAS programming. It is good for professionals who are already working and who wish to upgrade their skills by getting a good command over SAS programming skills. The advantages are it is less competitive than base SAS. However, there's a slight drawback here. The drawback is companies would like to hire advanced analytics programmers who already have a practical domain knowledge. So for freshers, it's a bit drawback as they don't have experience. The job sectors include the same as banking, investment firms, automobiles, and software companies, also pharma and CROs. But there's a catch. The catch is you need to have a practical domain experience if you wish to enter as an advanced analytics programmer into these mentioned sectors. Now look at the clinical SAS program. This is the best course which we recommend for pharmacists and healthcare professionals. If you look at the advantages, the major advantages, it is the least competitive of all the SAS programmers. As of today, there are only 117 certified SAS professionals available in India. Yes, only 117. And it's an end-to-end training program. So companies will be more preferring candidates who are end-to-end trained. Work from home opportunities will be more as expected, and also this is the highest paid SAS course among the courses provided here. For base SAS, the average salaries would be around 35 to 40K. And for advanced analytics, the average salary range would be from 50 to 60,000. And but for clinical SAS programmers, it can shoot, it starts from 60,000 and can shoot up to around 1 lakh, depending on the company and the profile of the candidate. Now let's look at the course curriculum of each program. As you can see, for base SAS programmers, base SAS programmer course, the eligibility would be, as I mentioned, all educational background people can join this course. BTech, MTech, BCom, MBAs, MSc, MBBS, etc. All the educational background people can join this. And the topics covered in this program will be base SAS programming, only base SAS. Well, you will be needing to clear a certification exam to complete this course. One certification exam you need to clear it. If you look at the batch timings, and there are two batches, weekday and weekend. For weekend batches, the timings would be 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. And also for weekday batches, the timings would be 7 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. And a strict rule about the intake of people per batch has been decided by SAS, and it is only 15 students, maximum 15 students per batch are allowed to maintain personal attention on each candidate, as it is a live interactive online session. The duration of the base SAS course would be 48 hours of live training, and the course fee would come up to 33,000 plus 18% GST. 2 attempts of certification exam will be given to the candidate worth of $360. And those $360 will be waived off. That means you don't have to pay any certification exam fees. It will be covered by us. Now, if you look at the analytics programmer course, and some companies even call it as a data management course, the eligibility criteria remains same as base SAS programs. Almost all educational background people are eligible for this course. The curriculum includes base SAS programming and advanced SAS programming, as I mentioned earlier. Here you need to give 2 certification exams instead of 1 as in base SAS. For advanced analytics program, you need to give 2 certification exams. And the batch intake and the timings would be same. However, the course duration changes. It is 96 hours of live training. For base SAS, it was only 48 hours of live training, as the course curriculum is less compared to the advanced analytics. Now coming to the course fee, it will be around 75,000 plus 18% GST. And as you have to clear 2 exams here, for each exam 2 attempts, that is total 4 attempts, certification exams fees worth rupees 720 US dollars, not rupees, 720 US dollars will be waived off. If you can convert that amount into rupees, it will sum up to around 49,000 rupees, which is waived off. Waived off as in you will be not needing to pay it. Now let's look at the clinical trial SAS program. This is the most sought after course for pharmacists, healthcare professionals who wish to have a good career with a high paying salaries. And the eligibility is confined to only people with a science background like MBBS, BDS, B Pharmacy, M Pharmacy, Nursing, BSc, etc. Freshers and professionals both can join this course. The curriculum includes, the first part is clinical programming fundamentals, and the second part includes clinical data analysis and reporting. Here also you need to give 2 certification exams. The first one is the base programming, and the second certification exam is clinical trials programmer. The timings remain the same. The duration changes. The duration of the course is 176 hours of live training, and the fees would come up to 1 lakh plus 18% GST. As I mentioned earlier, here also 2 attempts for the certification exam, total 4 attempts of worth of $720 fee will be given to you without any extra charge. Now this is a badge which is provided by SAS company once you complete the certification exam. It's a digital badge which can be posted on your social media handles, and it can also be posted on your LinkedIn for better recognition. Well, this is a link where you can check the number of people who are certified in a SAS course from a particular country. As I mentioned previously, there are only 117 people clinically SAS certified programmers. You can verify that point by going to this link and selecting the courses from the search bar, selecting the course as clinical SAS programmer. And when you select the country as India, it shows all the certified, SAS certified, official SAS certified clinical SAS programmers list. There you can find only 117 people on the list. That is the reason we told it is very less competitive. And also for clinical SAS programmers, the other major job opportunity lies as a trainer, a freelance trainer or a regular trainer in a training institute. This is how the certification badge looks like. Now let's look at the benefits of training directly from the SAS institute. You get this as official curriculum, and that curriculum is mapped to globally recognized universities, as we mentioned priorly, and also the major B schools of India. Now, the training includes a combination of comprehensive course notes, a detailed course notes, lectures, software demonstrations, and hands-on exercises. You also get access to software official courseware, and latest SAS software will be given access to you. And also the digital badge. Now let's look at the benefits of instructor-led live training. Since, as I told, we are living in the COVID times, online training has become a new norm. Now let's look at the advantages of live online training. You can get a classroom experience from your desktop. You get official SAS training without any travel, without any hassle, and you can enjoy it from the comfort of your living room. You can ask questions and get answers in real time by interacting with the faculty virtually. Yes, you have SAS instructors virtually in your home, office, or whichever place or campus you sit in. And you also get access to the latest software via a virtual hub. And also you receive 20 business days, that is 20 working days access to the recording of the course, whichever course you take. After you complete the course, you get 20 days, you get the recording of that course for you to revise and analyze about the course. It will be helpful for you when you are trying to give the certification exam. Also, you'll also be given certification preparation webinars. As in for the certification exam, the preparation will also be given by the SAS company. Yes. And also, as I mentioned before, there are 2 attempts for each exam, for certification exam. Here are our advisors' numbers. You can call or text to them for any further queries regarding the SAS courses. It was nice talking to you. Thank you so much for your time.